Why does connector manufacturing sometimes require a clean room? The reason is actually quite simple. For some miniature connectors feature extremely fine contact pitch. Microscopic particles can cause contact failure or reliability issues. A clean room maintains a controlled production environment through air filtration, temperature and humidity regulation, personnel gowning procedures, and electrostatic discharge (ESD) protection. The goal is not simply cleanliness, it is environmental control. Many standard connector products can be produced in conventional manufacturing environments. However, certain high-reliability connectors are typically manufactured in controlled environments or clean rooms. These products are highly sensitive to microscopic particles, electrostatic discharge (ESD), and environmental contaminants. For example, in automotive electronics, a single contact failure may disrupt power or signal transmission to ECUs, battery management systems, BMS, or intelligent driving sensors. Therefore, particle contamination, electrostatic buildup, and environmental fluctuations must be tightly controlled during manufacturing. Cleanroom manufacturing for connectors has evolved beyond regulatory compliance. It is a proactive approach to risk management. It also provides the foundation for connector miniaturization and high-density interconnect design, while supporting consistently reliable delivery. Reliable connectivity starts with the manufacturing environment. At GreenCon, reliable connectivity starts from the source.